So good. Oh, ang dami kong sakit sa katawan, guys. So this is really good for me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Mary's Vlogs Review here. I know yung channel ko ay nagbago, nilagay ko ng review instead of Mary's Vlogs only. So naglagay ko ng Mary's Vlogs Review dahil I changed a little bit in my channel, my content of my channel. So ang gagawin ko na lang I'm gonna stay in one content. So I'm just gonna review products. So that's all I'm gonna do on these channels. So today's guys, yung nga sinabi ko na mag-review tayo na ngayon ng massager gun kung talagang magwo-work pa to. So I have right here, this is the different kind of massager gun. I know may iba-ibang klase ng massager gun, but this one is a different kind of massager. So they have a different heads yung yung massager niya. So here I have, ipakita ko sa inyo. And then ito yung pala yung lagyanan niya ng massager. Let's put this aside. Ito yung lagyanan ng massager niya. So actually you can bring this with you kung magta-travel ka kasi meron siyang cases na lagyanan here. So here meron siyang 6 heads, different kind of 6 head. Ito. Ayan, ito yung yung pang point massage kasi bilog siya. And then here my flat size here. Ayan, flat size. Tapos here my bilog. Ayan. So ito yung pang massage sa mga katawan siguro. Something like that. And this one para siyang 4. Ito yung sa likod, pang massage ng likod ng spinal cord. Ayan. Kasi para siyang 4 po. Pokpok ganun. And then here my flat din siya. Ayan, flat side. Yes. So here are my gadgets sa loob. Tingnan natin. Ayan. So I keep the instruction inside the bag. So yun, iba-iba yung lasa. My flat head and U-shape head, finger head. Ito yung finger head niya, guys. Ayan. Tapos yung may small flat head and small round head, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So yeah. So let's do this, guy. Mag-work. So ngayon ay i-review natin. Ito yung massager gun. So massager gun. Ayan. So let's turn it on. Ayan. Yung on niya dito yung switch. In here also you can adjust the time. I have 78% right now, so pag maglubat mo i-charge mo lang siya USB. Tapos here is the number 1. Kung gusto mo na pinaka mabilis, you can adjust like number 3 plus here number 5, 6, 7. See the vibration? Ayan, mabilis. Or you can go higher than 15 or longer or 20. Isa lang. 20 is the highest. Ayan. Talagang nag-vibrate siya, guys. Pinawisan na ako, wala pa nga eh. Okay. So let's lower. I turn it off, so let's start again. So we're just gonna do number 2. Okay, so i-demo natin, guys. Here, this is the finger point. Tingnan mo. Let's closer. Ilipat natin, natin yung camera closer to my so you can see. Look at that. Nagpa-vibrate siya, guys. So let's number 3 higher. Ayan. Kasi I have pain right here in my shoulder. Kasi I work out every day. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Nagbabounce siya, guys. Talagang talagang mafe-feel mo siya sa skin mo, sa muscles mo, yung vibration ng gun. Tingnan mo. See. You can see. Here. Ayan. Feels good. Lalo na pag masakit yung muscles mo, you can use this massager gun. Ayan. Like that. Or even your shoulder. I have pain right here in my chest. Pinawisan ako. Ang init. Ayan. You feel that? Oh, it's vibing right there. Because I have pain in around my bones, my chest. So this is really good. Right there. Oh. And don't forget to breathe pag gumagamit ka nito ng massager gun. Kasi talagang pinupukpok yung ano mo muscles. Vibration siya guys. See that? Ayan. Tignan mo. Ayan. And then you can use your legs here. Look at that. Okay, so let's change a different. Let's turn it off. Time na natin. Palitan natin yung heads ng iba. So let's twist it. Ano ba to? Stuck. Ano? Hindi matanggal? Okay, there you go. Alright, na-stuck siya doon. Okay. Pinawisan ako, nginit. Alright, so let's do the flat one. Let's do the fork. Ito yung manong fork. Ayan. Let's do this. So I'm just gonna poke my shoulder. Right here, massage my shoulder. Ito guys. Oh. Ow. Oh. There you go. See that? Ow. Ooh, that hurt. Ow. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, ang dami kong sakit sa katawan, guys. So this is really good for me. A good massager for my body because yun nga, I work out a lot, so I have sore body. So this massager gun is really help to stretch my sore muscle. Ayan. Tignan mo. Nag-vibrate siya gano'n. Oh yes, that feels so good. Look at that. Tignan mo. Oh, this feels so good like that. Kasi parang siyang, oh, this is fork, so talagang yung pressure point niya sa muscle mo talagang, tignan mo guys. There you go. Ooh, look at the, wow, oh, this feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, I don't want to stop. But you can massage around your back right here. Like that. Or you can massage around your back here. Ayan. Oh, pinawisan ako. Ayan. Other side. Right there. Just move my hair. Oh, pinawisan ako guys. Ang dami kong soreness. My muscle have sore, especially around here, my neck. Tight. Very tight. I have tight muscles right there. Can you see? Ow. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, right there. Oh boy. Oh. That's it guys. This is so good. So try this machine gun. I purchased this in Amazon. So you can check sa Amazon, massager gun. Meron siyang iba-ibang klaseng massager. If you want the good one, the expensive one. This is the cheapest one. So probably like $100 plus, $100 plus. Yeah. Bili namin sa Amazon. Actually, it's our gift for each other. Kasi nga, so my husband, can you buy me this massager gun? Because I have a lot of pain in my, my body. I have soreness. My muscles are really sore, so this is really good. Alright guys, so thank you for watching just a review. Hey, my husband is home, so I'm doing a review of the massage gun.
Uy, kumusta?
Mal, come here, I'm gonna
Tao.
massage you.
Huh?
Come here, love. My husband is home, so I'm gonna demo him in back. Come here, love. Huh? He doesn't want massage.
I'm okay.
It's okay. Okay, so that's it.
Can you see?
Ow! That hurt. Alright guys, that's it. Let's turn it off. That's it. Very nice, huh? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you like this video and the demo or review on this massager gun. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I see you guys again next time. Bye.